a demo of porting one of the buttons from Turtle Geometry program into the Federated Wiki Siren outpost. So the original, which I have shown from time to time but thought I would get a video, lets me do turtle graphics with buttons instead of typing. And these buttons adapt when I change the parameters for them. So if I clear current, it starts with 1/6 of a circle as its turn, and we get a 6-sided object when we do that. If I change to a denominator of 7, so I'm now 1/7 of a turn, I'll move and turn. I'll just save that for some speed. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So one of the properties of turtle geometry is that the rotation here, direction, when repeated, gives you the object of the same fraction of the circle of your rotation. So that was 7. Just to convince you all, I'll do an octagon also. So here's a move and turn for an octagon. And if I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those, I get an octagon. So that's kind of a cool thing. But the code I'm demoing is the capacity of this button to adjust as I change the numerator and the denominator. So that's the feature that it's just the rendering I was experimenting with today. So here's a new ES6 version of this widget. It's a custom element, which if I inspect, is a turn button, has a width and a height and a numerator and a denominator. And what's kind of cool in this edition is I can change the attributes. Perhaps I should make that a little bigger. So as I change the attributes, it redraws that picture. And similarly with the denominator. Here's my octagon turn, and 13-sided turn would look like that, and I could have 7/13 as the rotation. And so the control is responding to the change of attributes. And then it's similarly cool if I go get the command line. This thing is a turn button. I only have one of them. So if I set the turn button denominator, need to keep it higher than 7. Let's go 9. So having changed the denominator in the JavaScript console, it also re-renders, and that change is also reflected in the attributes of the element. So that's possibly cool. I can't decide if reflecting the values into the HTML of the state of the control is valuable or not, but it was a fun experiment.